What if the Earth ceases to be habitable? Hello, friends. Today we will talk about a question that sounds like science fiction, but in fact is becoming increasingly relevant. What if our planet ceases to be habitable? Before we begin, subscribe to the channel and like it. There are even more deep topics about the future of humanity ahead. Global disasters, real threats. Although the Earth seems like a safe home, history reminds us, disasters have changed the face of the planet more than once. Dinosaurs disappeared after an asteroid fell. Ice ages reshaped the lives of entire continents. Today we face new threats: climate change, nuclear conflicts, pandemics, overpopulation, and the destruction of ecosystems. Any of these problems can make the Earth an extremely difficult place to survive in the future. The human factor. The greatest threat to the Earth is man himself. Wars, pollution, deforestation, destruction of the ozone layer. All this undermines the balance of the planet. According to scientists, if humanity does not change its attitude towards nature, then in a few hundred years irreversible processes may arise that lead to a global catastrophe. Asteroids and space hazards. But even if we learn to manage the climate and ecology, there are factors beyond our control: asteroids, solar flares, movement of tectonic plates, supervolcanoes. Each of them, in theory, is capable of leading to the extinction of civilization. NASA scientists are already tracking potentially dangerous celestial bodies, but we do not yet have 100% protection. Humanity's chances for salvation. If the Earth becomes uninhabitable, salvation is possible only in two ways. Adaptation to technologies that will help people survive in changed conditions. Underground cities, artificial domes, air and water recycling systems. Evacuation, finding a new home in space. The Moon, Mars, or distant exoplanets can become a refuge, but this requires breakthrough technologies and global cooperation. Evolution or transformation. There is another scenario: man will change himself. Genetic engineering, biotechnology, and integration with machines can allow people survive in conditions where it is impossible today. For example, an organism resistant to radiation, or hybrid bodies capable of living without oxygen. Philosophical aspect. But the main question is not only about technology, but about values. If we one day destroy the Earth, will we find a new home, or will we bring the same mistakes there? History shows civilizations disappeared not only from catastrophes, but also from their own greed and stupidity. So perhaps salvation is not in space, but in changing ourselves. Conclusion. What if the Earth ceases to be habitable? The answer is frightening, but also inspiring. Humanity has a chance to survive. But this chance depends on whether we can unite our efforts, develop science and technology, while preserving humanity. And until that day comes, our main home is one Earth. And we must take care of it if we want to have a future. Subscribe to the channel, write in the comments whether you believe in the resettlement of humanity to other planets, and what, in your opinion, should we do first: look for new worlds or save ours? Thank you for your attention.